how happy we are that the American elections are over, because what happens in America affects the entire world, and situation here stresses us a bit. Most of all, I found very ridiculous was the claim of the Republicans that Democrats are socialists. But what I found dangerous is that there is a little faction in the Democrat Party which is socialist. And if the Democrats don't put them on the manners, as we say in Jamaica, they are going to cause the party to lose votes, because no one who knows what socialism is would ever want to vote for a party that is going to control your economy, because that is what socialism is. They control the resources of a country and they control the distribution, so they decide who gets what and who can do what. So if you get rich, they don't tell you how much money you can make. Now, I heard some people in the election claiming that Canada was a socialist country. That is not true. I lived in Canada. Canada is a market economy. They tax you very highly, but they give you a lot of social benefits. That is not socialism. Socialism is when a government controls your economy and decides who gets what, when, and where. You know Bob Marley's song that says, "Give me the teachings of His Majesty, no give me no devil philosophy." Bob Marley was referring to socialism as a devil philosophy because he was very active in Jamaica when the government tried to introduce socialism in our country and destroyed our economy. It made things so bad for us, we had to be lining up for things like gas and basic foods. And they even threatened and tried to destroy press freedom. I had to send my children to safety to live in the country just to join the fight to get rid of socialism in Jamaica. And that is what inspired me to write the book, looking back, the struggle to restore our freedoms. If you really want to know about the socialist experience that I personally have been through,